class students. Today discuss about time. Already everybody learned in previous class. So once again I am recall. See here. In a time, see here. 24 hours make a one day. Make a one day. Now here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes later. 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now 1 minute, that is equals to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. See here. Now I am taking. So 1 clock. See here. In a clock, you can see 2 points. One is short hand and another one is long hand. See here, the short hand, it can represents hours. And also, the long hand, it can represents minutes. See, in this clock, the minutes hand complete the 1 round. So, make a 1 minute. See here, the minutes hand complete 60 rounds. 60 rounds around the clock. Make a 60 minutes, that is equals to 1 hour rate. Realize the hours hand, the small hand is called as hours hand. The hours hand from 12 to complete 1 round. Complete 1 round means the hours hand complete 1 round around the distance of a clock. It may be complete 12 hours. Then in a day, the hours hand complete 2 rounds around the clock. So 1 round is equals to 12 hours and another 1 round is equals to 12 hours. So 12 plus 12, 24 hours. Then make a 1 day. See here, the hours hand complete 2 rounds around the clock. Say make a 1 day. Make a 1 day. So in this clock, see here, the hours hand shows or represents number 9, and also the long hand means the minutes hand, it can shows number 12 on the clock. Then what is time now? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. This is, it can be written as 9 o'clock. So 09 semicolon 2 zeros. So this is represents hours and this is represents minutes. Say for example, so we have to go to minutes from 12 to 1. Next number, how many minutes completed? 5 minutes completed. Now see here, the minutes hand exactly positioned at number 2. Then what is time now? See here, 12 to next number we have to complete 5 minutes. Now this one number to next number we have to complete 5 minutes. 5 plus 5, 10. Then 2 is multiplied by 5, you can get 10. Then what is time now? 9, 10 minutes. 9 hours, 10 minutes. Did you understand? See here, the hours hand, it can represent number 9 on the clock, as well as the minutes hand, it can represent number 2 on the clock. Then, this is the minutes hand. From number 12 to next number, we have to complete 5 minutes. Now next, number 2, 10 minutes. Here write down once again. Now 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, 35, 40, 45 minutes, 50, 55 minutes, 60. So 1 hour. See here, once again, the hours hand, it can shows number 9, as well as the minutes hand, it can shows number 2. Means 10 minutes completed. What is time now? 9, 10. So, here, one conclusion. In a day, see, midnight, 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock is known as AM. Called as AM. Afternoon 12 o'clock, from afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock. See here, midnight 12 o'clock. So, are called PM. See, AM means anti-meridian, PM means post-meridian. See here, now I am coming school every day at 8:45 in the morning. So it can be written as 8:45. Morning means you can write AM. Now I can play 5:30 in the evening. Then it can be written as 5:30. Evening means post meridian, PM, 5:30 PM. Midnight 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock, it can be written as AM, anti-meridian, as well as afternoon 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock after to midnight 12 o'clock, you can write PM, post meridian. This is the information about time. See here, see page number 4, course book, volume 2. Now, a train leaves the source station at 6 PM. So, starting time. Starting time 6 PM. Today, the train started at the railway station 6 PM. Now here it reaches the destination at 7:15 AM next day. So ending time. Ending time. That is equals to 7:15 AM. This is next day. See here. The total travel time from the source to the destination is. See here, Nana. Today 6 PM. Tomorrow 6 AM. So you can get 12 hours. So 12 hours. Now remaining 7:15 means 7:15 to 6 a.m. is subtracted from 7:15 a.m. You can get 1 hour 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes added to 12 hours. So 12 hours, 1 hour 15 minutes. So 5, 1, 13 hours 15 minutes. What is the time duration of train? 13 hours 15 minutes. See here beta, starting time means we have to take. For example, today the train started at 6:15 p.m. Sorry, 6 p.m. 6 o'clock p.m. 6 o'clock p.m. means evening 6 o'clock train బయలుదేరింది. See here, the train reaches 7:15 a.m. next day. Next day means in it 6 a.m. is there. So 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. 12 hours completed. How many hours completed? 12 hours completed. Then remaining time 7:15. So 7:15 minus 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock is subtracted from 7:15. You can get 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes is added to 12 hours. Then you can get 13 hours 15 minutes. Then write down everybody what is the answer? 13 hours 15 minutes. You can write this like only. Write down everybody. 13 hours 15 minutes. MIN. This is a shortcut. So write down everybody. 13 hours 15 minutes. Now next, Bunny plays for 2.5 hours in the evening every day. Bunny ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? ఆడుకుంటున్నాడు. So 2.5 hours is plays every day. 2.5 hours means 2 hours 30 minutes in the evening. See here, if he started playing at 6:30 p.m. Starting time what Nana? See here, he plays. If he started playing at 6:30 p.m. means starting time 6:30 p.m. PM means in the evening. Now, at what time will he stop playing? So, time, listen carefully, time taken by Bunny for playing. See here, 2 hours 30 minutes later. Now you can find out the ending time. See here, ending time. Ending time, that is equals to, you can start at 6:30 p.m. no? 6:30 p.m. plus 2 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes added to 6:30 p.m. you can get an ending time. See here, this is hours, this is minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes, 2 hours 30 minutes. See here, and conclusion is there. See, 30 minutes plus 30 minutes, you can get 60 minutes beta. So here don't write 60 minutes because 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Did you understand? So here 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Then 1 hour, then we have to write in hours column. Then we can write in minutes column 0 0 0 0. Then 1 is carrying in hours. Okay, 6 plus 1, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9. So ending time is equals to 9 p.m. So here everybody write down ending time, that is equals to 9 p.m. Did you understand? This is 30 plus 30, 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 1 hour is carried over to the hundreds column. So then we can write in minutes. There is no minutes, no? You can write 0 0. So ending time. So Bunny playing stopped at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Everybody write down. Now next one. Kiran's favorite television program started at 8:20 p.m. Kiran's favorite television program. Kiran's watching TV. Then what is the time now? The favorite program started at 8:20 p.m. and ended at 9:05 p.m. How long did it last for? తను ఎంతసేపు ఆ టీవీ చూశాడు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ డ్యూరేషన్ ఆఫ్ టైం. సీ హియర్, ఇక్కడ బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. Now starting time 8:20 p.m. Ending time 9:05 p.m. means here 5 minutes it can be written as 05. 1 minute it can be written as 01. 1 to 9 minutes everybody write down 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09. So here you can find out duration of time. Duration of time. See here 8:20 p.m. is subtracted from 9:05 p.m. See here. Write down everybody. This is hours. This is minutes. 9 hours, 5 minutes, 8 hours, 20 minutes. Listen carefully. See, first subtract minutes. See, 20 is subtracted from 5 minutes. It is possible, beta? Not possible. What do I have to do? You can take 1 hour from hours column. Did you understand? So it's giving 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is added to 5 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 5 minutes, you can get 65 minutes. Then 60 plus 5, 65. You can write 65 minus 20. So you can do normal subtraction. See here, 65 minus 20. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. So you can get 45 minutes. So 9 it can last 1. So 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 8, 0. What is the time duration? 45 minutes only. Only 45 minutes. So time duration or duration of time. Time for watching TV. That is equals to, so 0:45 minutes means it can be written as 45 minutes. Write down everybody. Just you can write 45 minutes. See here page number 5. Which event usually take more time? See here, making a cake or eating a bowl of ice cream. So you have to take more than 15 minutes. Okay. Now next, sleeping all night. So I have to take how many hours for sleeping? 10 hours and 12 hours. So now next, doing homework or watching a movie. Just you have to take 3 hours. So here, cooking dinner or eating a sandwich. So I have to take 30 minutes. So which is takes more time? Sleeping. So take it everybody. This like. Now next, units of time relation. Let us see the relation among the units of time. See here, listen carefully everybody. See here, 1 year. See here, 1 year. So that is equals to 12 months beta. Listen carefully. 1 year. Look at the blackboards. 52 weeks. 1 year. How many days? 365 days. 1 leap year. 366 days, because in a leap year February has 29 days. Okay, 1 year is equals to 12 months, 1 year is equals to 52 weeks, 1 year is equals to 365 days. This is a normal year. Now next, 1 leap year is equals to 366 days, because leap year has 29 days. The month of February, 29 days. See here, now next, 1 week, 7 days. 1 day, 24 hours. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 minute, 60 seconds. See here. Now next, 1 decade. 1 decade is equals to 10 years beta. Listen carefully. 1 decade is equals to 10 years. 1 century, that is equals to 100 years. 1 millennium is equals to millennium is equals to 1000 years beta. 1000 years. See here, the smallest unit of time is seconds. In a clock, the short hand it can shows hours, the long hand it can shows minutes, and the thin hand, the thin సన్నగా ఉండేటువంటి hand, the thin hand it can shows just seconds. So the smallest unit of time is seconds. Okay beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.